In this video, I'm going to show you how to give someone full control in AnyDesk, step by step, so they can connect to your device and use your keyboard and mouse just like they were sitting right in front of it. This is useful for remote support, troubleshooting, helping a client, or letting a teammate manage a task on your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer and make sure the app is fully loaded and ready to receive a connection. When AnyDesk opens, you'll see your main screen with your AnyDesk address displayed clearly. That address is what the other person needs in order to connect to your device, so copy it carefully or share it with the person who will be helping you. Next, send your AnyDesk address to the remote user. They will enter it on their side and start a connection request. Once they do that, stay on your screen and wait for the incoming prompt. A permission window will appear asking you whether you want to allow the connection. This is the part where you control exactly what the other person can do. So take a moment to review the settings before accepting anything. Now, to give full control, you need to enable the correct permissions in the request window. Make sure the option to allow keyboard and mouse use is turned on, because this is the most important setting for full remote control. Without that enabled, the other person may be able to view your screen, but won't be able to properly interact with your computer. While you're there, you can also enable allow to hear sound output if you want the remote user to hear audio from your device. Turn on allow to use Clipboard if you want to make it easier to copy and paste text between systems. If you need them to move files back and forth, enable allow file transfer as well. Depending on your setup, you may also see options like allow screen recording and allow file manager. These are optional and you can turn them on only if they are needed for the session. Once you've selected the permissions you want, double check that keyboard and mouse access is enabled. That setting is what gives the other person full interaction with your computer, so it's the key step in this process. After that, click Accept to approve the request and start the remote session. As soon as you accept, the remote connection will begin and the other person will have the access you allowed. From there, they can help you troubleshoot, install software, transfer files, or complete whatever task you need support with. If at any point you want to stop the session, you can close the connection or disconnect from your side. And that's how to give full control in AnyDesk quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.